Okay, so papunta na tayo ng Casa Remedios mga kaitsubero. So ang oras na natin is sa 1:30 na ng hapon, and kung gaano kainit sa Metro Manila, ganun din ang init dito sa Iloilo. Ayan. Malapit lang tayo sa sa Balay Remedios. Ito lang siya, kapitbahay. So ulitin ko lang yung Iloilo Capitol Building. Dito lang siya. So ito na yung Balay Remedios. Sabi sa inyo mabilis lang malapit lang. Ayan Hi boss. Balay Remedios. So isa itong mansion na ito na nirepurpose nila. Ito yung example ng adaptive reuse. Kailan lang to nag-open, boss? September lang last year, no? September. Hello, boss. Mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko, sir. Ayan. So September 2023 lang ito binuksan. Actually nakita ko ito before nung last time na punta natin. Parang napahagingan ko lang siya, pero hindi pa siya ganito kaayos. Ayan. Grabe, ang laki ng bahay mga kaitsubero. Pero kung mapapansin nyo yung mga bintana, salamin na siya. So, pwedeng napalitan na siya, Ayan. So, buti hindi nila pininturahan ng kulay pula or any color, So, kinip nila kung ano yung kulay ng kahoy, pero luma na. So, nung ni-restore nila, hindi nila pininturahan, Kita nyo, labas lang yung kulay ng kahoy. Tapos etong part na to, kinuskus lang din nila, Okay, pasok tayo. So kanina, meron silang guest. Kaya sinabi sa akin ng manager na pumunta raw ako dito ng mga 2:00. Ayan. Hello. Magandang hapon. Nakakahiya naman, nakaabang na kayong lahat. Hello po. Kay Ma'am Leila. Andito siya. Buti tinaon ko na walang tao Kasi nakakahiya. Ito lang ba yun? Ito lang mismo?
Yes, sir.
Hindi pa kasama yung iba.
Yes, sir.
Siyempre may mga lumang bahay na ayaw na nating tirahan. Kasi siyempre mga bagong generation ngayon gusto modern na, Pero nakakatuwa lang na kinikip natin yung lumang bahay, nire-repurpose natin. Ginagawa natin siyang restaurant or hotel, di ba? And of course, nabibigyan ng trabaho yung mga kababayan nating Pilipino, di ba? Ito, Golden Wedding Anniversary. Noong 1965 lang, Kala mo naman, parang kailan lang. Hello, Ma'am Leila.
No, Patricia.
Oh, Patricia. Oh, hi. Thank you for welcoming me.
Yeah. Thank you.
So, I just arrived today. Kanina lang mga 11.
Kasama nila?
Yes. And you are one of the owner of this house.
I'm the fourth generation.
You're the aposatuho, one of the aposatuhon. Oh, nice. So, tell us about the house. Kailan po siya
So,
itinayo?
1917, this house.
Oh, 1917.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then my great-grandfather, si Eusebio Villanueva, was the engineer of the house.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he was commissioned to do it by Don Julio Ledesma. And then later on, it was sold to my lolo.
Oh.
So, since siya nagtayo, he also, parang may heart siya for the house. So,
Yes.
he bought the house.
So, very sentimental ang bahay.
Yeah,
Especially sa inyong mga fourth generation na to.
Oo.
So, ngayon po ay ginawa nyo na siyang restaurant and inopen nyo daw ito noong September 2023.
Yes.
So, as of now, restaurant lang ito and meron kayong function room as well.
Yes.
Okay.
We have 2 function rooms. But the other, this is the other.
Okay.
So this is the Remedios room.
Rem-
And this could sit around 10 is comfortable, 15 is the best na medyo slightly comfortable.
Oo.
But if you reach 20, medyo
Med-
tight.
Oo nga,
But-
masyadong crowd na.
Yeah. Pero sometimes we can do it 24. It's just that we will be using round tables.
Yes. Tsaka parang mahirap na yun.
Oo.
Siksikan na, no?
Oo, medyo tight lang.
Oo.
So we always advise our customers if they want to use this and gusto talaga max out, so we will change the type of tables that we'll
Okay.
use.
At least may option lang sila if they want that,
Yeah.
no?
Oo.
Okay.
Everything is technically, wala kaming binago. We just cleaned it and we just repainted it. So as you can see, like the ceilings, it's all original. Everything's original. The doors, we didn't put anything. We didn't put anything inside na new structure or what. It's just everything is original.
That's
Yeah.
nice,
Yes.
no?
And then,
Kasi kung kaya naman siyang i-preserve, just keep it as it is, di ba? The original. All you have to do is make it parang pagandahin lang
Yeah.
para kaaya-aya naman sa...
so check lang for termites and all that. So then we repainted everything. So, so one of the areas also that some of the people parang why they visit is to check our restroom, our main restroom.
Actually, yan yung iniisip ko kanina. Naunahan mo ko, Ma'am
So
Patricia.
there's 2 passages for it. So if there's someone renting out the Remedios room, and we called it Remedios room because during the latter years of my lola and lolo, before they went to Bacolod, they stayed here. A
Okay.
few months, they stayed here.
Okay.
So we called it Remedios.
Remedios room.
So this is our restroom. So through access din siya. Yeah.
Oh, di ba? Siyempre, we need to see the old bathroom back in the day, di ba? Nice. So, kinit lang din nila. Everything is original, the tiles as well. Pero,
Yes, yung toilet siya. Pero
toilet, oo, siyempre bago na to.
so, ganyan siya. Eventually, before the year ends, our target is to open the second floor.
And it would be,
Baka by 4th quarter pa. Because we're still fixing, renovating, and we're still curating the items that we're supposed to showcase. It's usually mga gamit lang naman nila lola.
ah, Miss Patricia.
Yeah.
So, sino po sila?
Siya si Eusebio and si
Those are your
Remedios.
great-grandparents,
Yes,
no?
and then this is my lolo talaga, si
Okay.
Pailing Villanueva,
Oo.
or Rafael. Pero kilala siya as Pailing,
Okay.
Lolo Pailing. And then mga kapatid niya, sisters niya, and as you can see, the photos where they're sitting down or having their photos taken is originally sa original position niya.
So you dun lang din.
Oo.
So, hinahanap ko yung upuan.
Oo, kasi itong area is
Dito lang din sa area na yun.
receiving area nila. And then yung room, yung area na doon, before, it used to be a prayer room.
Prayer room nila.
Parang meron lang sila lola na. Parang table. So ginawa niya dito na nagpa-pray siya.
Eto yun.
Yes, so what we call it right now, Eusebio's area. Kay Lolo.
Eusebius area.
Yeah. So Eusebio area. So this could fit like 8 to 10 people. If you want it na kayo lang here, So,
Nakakatuwa no kasi binubuhay niyo yung memory nila, no?
oo nga.
Na laging nasa inyo lang.
Oo.
Dahil sa restaurant na ito, nabubuhay yung inyong mga
Yeah.
great-grandparents, di ba?
Oo.
Nice. That's nice. Tsaka gusto ko yung ginawa ninyo, you kept the original
Yes.
window, pero the glass is already new, no?
Original.
Ah, original siya.
Yeah,
Hindi siya kapis before.
No, it's not cup.
Ah, I
It is
see.
glass na. So, with
Okay.
that's what I know. Glass
Okay.
na talaga.
Okay.
So, wala na kaming mahanap.
Ah, wala na
So,
talaga. Wala ka na
yeah.
makikita ganyan.
So, ito pa yung pinag-isipan namin if lalagyan. Kasi kailangan talaga kasi maalikabok.
Oo, tsaka aircon eh.
Pag
Oo.
That's
Du-
why,
Pero syempre, during that time, nung 1917, hindi naman ganito kainit ang klima.
Oo, hindi.
Kaya pwede mo siyang buksan lang the
Yes.
whole day,
Oo.
the whole night.
Usually, mahangin din naman.
We think even the flooring, oh.
Yes. Oo. We have to do bunot.
'Di ba? Gaya nga ng sabi ko sa kanila kanina, nakakatuwa na makakita ng mga ganitong bahay dahil karamihan ng mga new generation natin, they don't really appreciate this all day. They want modern na, 'di ba? Nire-repurpose nila. So ginagawa nilang hotel or
Yeah.
restaurant para hindi rin sayang yung pamana
Yes,
ng
tama.
mga naiwang pamilya. Ano po? Maraming salamat, Ma'am Patricia.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. So, hindi natin nakita yung pinakataas kasi ongoing yung pag-aayos nila sa taas ng bahay. So, yung baba lang talaga yung pinakita nila sa atin. Which is okay lang din naman, Isa sa mga dapat nating bisitahin sa mga kababayan natin na bibisita dito sa Iloilo, you should see this place kasi talagang kapag dito kayo kumain, travel back in time ang inyong mararamdaman. Nice. Galing na ito, oh. May eagle talaga sila, oh. Okay, alas 7 na ng gabi, mga kaitsubero. Puntahan natin yung Balay Remedios. Gusto ko makita kung ano itsura nito sa gabi. Ayan. Okay, buti na lang malapit lang ang Balay Remedios. Diba? Parang mga 12 steps lang from the castle chateau. Ba yung ambience niya sa gabi, Very nice. Okay, so ganun lang mga kaitsubero. Balik na tayo ng hotel. So tomorrow, mga alas 7 ng umaga, pupuntahan natin ang Lizares Mansion. Kaya abangan nyo yan mga kaitsubero. So maaga yung appointment natin doon kasi para hindi mainit, Maraming salamat mga ka-YouTubero at kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, please don't forget to subscribe at wag nyong kakalimutan na i-click yung bell button na yan para every time na mag-upload tayo ng mga bagong videos, manonotify kayo. Ayan. Maraming salamat mga ka-YouTubero. Night.